Welcome to my wig fashion fiesta. Today we're going to get into how to put on your very first wig so that it will remain secure and you'll have no problem, no issues. Come with me and let's begin. All right, so now what do I use to keep my wig on secure? I've evolved and I'm back to the wig grip, the Velcro wig grip that has Velcro on the end. It's very, very easy placement. You basically just put it around your head like here, pop it in the back. But the key is, what many of you forget is that there's one side that's very soft, then there's the other side that's very rigid. You want the rigid part to be facing towards your crown. Just think about it. You have the wig that is actually being placed around this Velcro. And if you have a little bit of resistance, it's just going to cause the wig to center and remain in place. Occasionally, very occasionally, if I'm doing a long international travel, I do resort to the good old bobby pins, and I'll put one on either side and then two crisscrossed in my nape area. The reason being is I really don't have problems with the Velcro, but I did have problems traveling with the silicone. These are the silicone, which some of you may like. This is my go-to way in the very, very beginning, but I found with long-term wear, sometimes just the silicone was kind of tight on my head and I get little headaches. And you do have little nodules that are quite long. This is to be on the outside where it grips the wig. And then on the inside are small little flatter nodules, and that goes around your scalp. The reason why I love this in the beginning is because when I would put it on, it literally was like a facelift. These wrinkles here were kind of brought up out of sight. I went, oh, this is kind of like a little facelift. So this is what I always use. But then when I started traveling again, I just found that between the headache and then also my hair is very, very thin. These slowly, my whole wig and everything just slowly was moving and it did not stay in place like the wig grips with the Velcro wig grips will do. So the wig grip is what I recommend. Now, for those of you that don't have any hair at all, I recommend the Velcro, which is right here, but I recommend the Velcro brand the wig grip, but also has this very, very soft cap. Because when you do not have any hair, a lot of times some of the wigs can be kind of itchy, some of the fibers, whereas this gives you that protective covering. And so therefore you'll have absolutely no problem. So these work very, very well if you do not have any hair. And I sometimes use these too, to give me just a little bit more, like it's more together. Now, what I'm going to show you though, is what I use to secure the wig or secure my own hair. They have at Amazon, you can get them. They have these rubber bands, these plastic rubber bands. You probably can get them in different colors. Just bear in mind that they can cut your own biological hair. So just be very mindful of that. But I find these little guys, I have like a whole jar full. These little fellas is what I use. Put my hair back in a ponytail. And let me show you exactly what I do. I'll take this wig off and let's begin. I have put these on, so let me just real quickly show you. See? Little ponytail. bring this back. Don't have it too far down here. Okay. Take your wig, turn it inside out. So the cap, you see it like this. Be sure in the front, you don't have any hair that's kind of inside. Now these wigs also have on either side a little bit of metal. This just goes over the ear, the temple area. And these are very, very important. Plus the nape. I'm going to make sure I put it on with my ponytail above the nape. Hold it from the back, like this. Hold the two temples, the ear, over the ear. I'm going to bend down. Center it like mid-size of your crown, like right here. You see how far down I have it? Now I'm going to go and check my nape to be sure that my ponytail is way above. It's all nice secure, and you can also, they have the little Velcro strips. You can pull those and tighten it if you need a little more tighten. I come up here, but before I do, this is what I do. I like to go to my temples and just kind of center it. I go up and then start pulling it back. Go up again, center it, go back to my temples, center it, and it's on perfectly, flawlessly and perfectly. And then it's all ready to style my hair. Now, what I do, particularly if I'm in a rush, you see these are long hairs, and for us seniors, I think having it away from our face is just more attractive. So I either use a scrunchie like here, or what I often do, particularly with exercise class or early in the morning, I just do this because I like wearing long wigs. I do have shorter wigs, but I sometimes like wearing my long wigs. That was my natural style. Basically hold the barrette, you see, like this. And away you go. And literally, my exercise class, jumping around, everything is fine. And I sometimes actually go swimming at the gym, but I always have it up, obviously. And I don't put my face in the water. I don't wear a cap. But if I'm just doing breaststroke, side stroke, those types of things, which are the kind of exercises I do on my daily workouts, a lot of times I just wear a wig just like this. But anyway, have a great day. Do put down your comments if you're a first-time wig wearer, what some of the challenges that you had. I hope this helps. And welcome to this wonderful world of fashion fun. Have a great day.